Hey everyone, this is Trish. Just wanted to take a quick minute because I know that there was some possible interest in legal management, excuse me, in ServiceNow, and so I just wanted to take a quick minute to show you um, a little of what that would look like. So let's come down here and I'm going to open the legal application. Um, So, first off, let's look at if there is anything legal catalog. So, exactly the way that this is working for customer service, so on and so forth, right? There is a legal services request catalog, right? I have something to do with contract, right? And that contract is going to create, do I want to, a new SOW, a new RFP, right? New NDA, etc. Oh, nope, this is a new NDA creation request. This is open for me. You know what? I'm going to do this all of the time. So let's go ahead and I'm going to add this to one of my favorites. All right. So now you can see this is my favorite. This would populate, again, work in progress system. This would populate with our location though. I don't know what is in here at the moment. Um, it's not required, so we're skipping for now. Again, we're getting the user data in here. Okay. You can allow user to set the priority or you cannot. It's up to you. And let them do what users will do anyway, right? Um, so that's it, right? They can do attachments, right? It's very simple. Oops, we're not going to go to the videos. Right. So just going to add, whatever contract information you would acquire. You could not proceed to the next screen if it's not, if you must add an attachment, right? So I should just let it go. I chose a large one, but as you can see now this picture is attached here and it's going to stay with it all the way through the ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this. So yep, the legal department's been contacted regarding my request. So as a requester, I've just now received an email exactly like the credit memo, exactly like Rec to Pay, all of the request services. When they put the request, they're going to get an email. Also, it then will be uploaded for them on our portal, not uploaded, but available for them on the portal. And so whenever they come back here, like everything else, they're going to be able to see their request tickets and the status of them. So let's go back to the right system. Forgive me, we have a lot of things open. So here we are with the legal. So same thing, research, legal research requests, patents, competitive intelligence, general research. All of these things, the shells are basically built out already. It's the specific forms, information you need, and how we route them to you. These are validated instances in anticipate of that. ServiceNow has all of the necessary things that need to be provided for SOX and audits and everything that we need. This has been widely used in change management. Validation is not a concern whatsoever. Okay, so that's the basic legal catalog. So besides the catalog, let's look at this from a legal and what we in the platform call fulfiller. These are our workers, right, standpoint. So we're going to go into legal. So all of these catalog items are creating requests. So you have a big request queue, right? You can, if you have different assignment groups, right? Maybe there's a contracts group. Maybe there's a contracts group for Singapore. Maybe there's a contracts group for the US, right? You set up all of these assignment groups and you can customize these views just like everything else with all these fields, right? What do you want to know? Do you want to see which companies these requests are coming from? Do you want to see, here, I want to show some of the assignment group stuff, right? You can make these lists look just any way that you want to, right? When was it created? Who created it? Um, Due dates, escalations. I mean, there's just a myriad of things that you can put and have at your default view. Okay. But yeah, so right now these are all under one assignment group. But again, here, this is the big groups. These are your actual individual associates that these requests would be assigned to. You can group, right? It's assigned to by here, again, not a lot of data in here right now, but you can manipulate the data. No, wait, I want to see this by state. So at a glance, you can look at these things in a different view and quickly ungroup. Another nice piece of functionality that you can do is, okay, if you're not a list person, oops, excuse me, wrong action. But if you're not a list person, we have the visual task boards that I'll keep coming back to here, right? So maybe you want to see this a little bit visually, right? What state is your work in? Draft, awaiting approval, approved, ready, right? Okay, here's the work in progress stuff. You can then move things around. If there's business rules preventing you to do so, it's going to bounce you back. But, you can actually see here, I can't close this work as complete. I don't own this ticket. I am not responsible for the tasks that are dependent upon it being closed complete. So as you can see, you're not allowed to manipulate the data in a bad way here visually either. But, for the visual people, this is a great way to look at your work. And you can customize these boards to be smaller and see it a little bit better, and that's a whole other video series that we can show you, right? But I mean, as you can see, you can have task boards for everything. So back again to the legal requests. It works. Let's open one of these, an external contract review. Right? It's assigned to legal agent, whoever requested it, their data would be here. You can adjust the priority. You cannot allow people to adjust the priority. You're going to have a detailed audit history of everything and activity that ever happens on this ticket. At a quick glance, you can see here's an activity stream. So it will show you. Unfortunately, nothing has been done. Let me add something and save. We haven't configured the legal application yet, but activity streams I'll show you on some other pieces. But you can see on the side here, you can see that this has generated a task to another assignment group. This is dependent upon other people. These other people have tasks automatically sent to them. It works just like all of the stuff does for customer service we've been showing you. Dependencies, right? Documents. You can have all of these things, right? You can manage documents within legal. This application knows that documentation is a big part of the legal world. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to manage a document related to this ticket. So it's now created this document number in the system. You have revision history. You can set the knowledge settings if you want around this document and create knowledge articles about it, with it. You don't have to, right? Document revisions. You have approvers, etc., etc., who can see it, who can edit it, who can do revisions. You can set up all these. And it's simple as same thing. Here I have my document. I'm going to upload it. I'll choose file. I hit OK, my revision history, and then it just keeps revision history like a standard document system. But now that document is related to this ticket. Oops, which I went to the wrong place. But so you get the idea. So anyway, just a quick overview of legal. Hopefully this helps. But definitely it's validated. Definitely it is definitely built to accommodate legal work. So I'd happy to sit down with anybody who'd like to explore legal work management. Okay, hope this helped and talk to you later. Bye bye.